Have you ever stumbled onto something amazing completely by accident? Maybe you took a wrong turn and found the best coffee shop of your life. Or you randomly clicked on a video and discovered your new favorite song. That feeling, that wonderful, unexpected luck, has a name. And it's one of the most beautiful words in the English language. Hey, welcome back. Today's word is serendipity. Serendipity means the occurrence of finding something good or valuable without actually looking for it. It's not just luck, it has a warmer feeling to it. It carries a sense of delight, like the universe quietly did you a favor. The word was actually coined in 1754 by writer Horace Walpole, inspired by a Persian fairy tale called The Three Princes of Serendip, where the heroes were always making clever discoveries by pure chance. Now, how do you use it? Pretty straightforwardly. You might say, meeting my best friend on that flight was pure serendipity. Or, it was serendipity that I opened that book to exactly the right page. You can also use the adjective form, serendipitous, as in, what a serendipitous encounter. It fits perfectly in storytelling, casual conversation, or even captions when something unexpectedly wonderful happens in your life. The beauty of this word is that it captures something we've all felt but rarely have the right word for. Now you do. So next time life surprises you in the best way, you know exactly what to call it. Serendipity. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. A new word drops every week, and who knows, finding this channel might have been your serendipity.